Welcome to the GeoMethod channel. Today we are solving another interesting geometry problem. Here is today's challenge. Can you find the AB length? Take a moment to study the figure. Then let us uncover the key geometric ideas that make the solution click. Welcome to GeoMethod. Here is triangle ACD, split by segment AB. The red segment AB is the unknown length. Point B splits the straight base segment CD into segment BC equals 3 and segment BD equals 5. The marked angle ABD is 120 degrees. Let the unknown segment AB be x. The same x belongs to both smaller triangles. Segment AB also bisects angle CAD, so the two apex angles are equal. First insight, the straight line turns 120 degrees into 60 degrees. Angles ABC and ABD form a linear pair, so angle ABC is 60 degrees. Watch the two base rays in segment AB connect the supplement. Now use the law of cosines once in each smaller triangle, then connect the results with the angle bisector. In triangle ABC, the sides around the 60-degree angle are x and 3. The law of cosines gives segment AC squared equals x squared plus 9 minus 6x times cosine 60. Because cosine 60 is 1/2, the middle term becomes 3x. So segment AC squared equals x squared minus 3x plus 9. In triangle ABD, the sides around the 120-degree angle are x and 5. The law of cosines gives segment AD squared. Cosine 120 is negative 1/2, so subtracting that term makes it positive. Therefore, segment AD squared equals x squared plus 5x plus 25. Now bring back the angle bisector. It divides the opposite side in the same ratio as segment AC to segment AD. Second insight. The angle bisector turns the visible 3:5 split into the side ratio segment AC to segment AD equals 3:5. Watch segment AB connect the two slanted sides to the two base pieces. Square that ratio because our cosine results are already squared. Segment AC squared over segment AD squared is 9/25. Substitute both cosine expressions. We now have one equation in x. Cross multiply to clear the fraction. After expanding and canceling the equal constants, the equation is 16x squared minus 120x equals 0. Factor out 8x. The zero product rule gives x equals 0 or 2x equals 15. A length cannot be 0, so x equals 15/2 or 7.5. Therefore, segment AB equals 7.5. The key chain was, a straight line revealed 60 degrees. The law of cosines measured both slanted sides, and the angle bisector tied them to the 3:5 split. So the final answer is 7.5. A good geometry problem often has more than one beautiful solution. If you see a genuinely different construction, a high-level idea that leads to another solution, or a thoughtful adaptation of an existing method, share it in the comments. Even a rough idea is welcome. A sketch of the key move is enough. We greatly appreciate these contributions. With your permission, we may feature the approach in a future Viewer Solutions episode and acknowledge you by name or channel handle. Thanks for exploring geometry with GeoMethod.